home buying process during a pandemic. While the coronavirus may have diverted most of us from our normal routines, it is not wise to forego your real estate plans simply because you no longer go out of your home. Here are 4 things you can employ to keep your property search running, so by the time the current crisis diminishes, you will be ready to move. Get pre-approved. A mortgage pre-approval will offer you a clear perspective of how much you can handle, and it communicates that you are serious about purchasing the home. While you are at home, gather the requisite records such as your proof of income, credit score, and asset documentation, and reach out to potential lenders. Connect remotely with an agent. Now more than ever, it is useful to work with a reliable real estate advisor, and when it's time, you will be ready and the entire process will go faster. Whether it is through chatting or video calls, a real estate specialist will guide you on how to manage the many challenges of the current market without having to put your plans on halt. Conduct enough research. Now is the best time to explore down payment support schemes in your locality, particularly if you believe you could benefit from a low down payment alternative. View listings online. You may not be able to check out homes for sale in person right now, but you can still look online for what is available in your area. Take note of your preferred necessities and desires for a potential house using interactive online tours and lists. Don't halt your plans. This could indeed be your year to own a home, and your most trusted real estate advisor is here to assist you throughout the process.